So Gemini Nano Banana Pro is getting better at text rendering to the level that it is actually kind of difficult to find the text that is not perfect that was created by the model. So these are some examples that I created, and these are known as object typography or perhaps calligram. So basically it is just an object, some everyday object, but it was consisted from some text that might be relevant to the object. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these pictures using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So let's open gemini.google.com, and after that, you can insert this prompt. So this is the prompt that you can find in the description down below. Let me just copy it. But there are a few things that you need to customize before you send the prompt to Gemini. So right here, you can specify the object. Now in this case, I guess I'll select ice cream. So after that, you can select the font style. Now you can provide a name, but usually Gemini doesn't really have any library or knowledge about the exact font that you want to use. So perhaps you can use some more abstract ideas, like let's say I want to have bold and let's say modern style. So that's going to be the style that I'm going to use for the font. And after that, you can choose the color theme. So here, I guess I'll use white or perhaps vanilla, and then pink, and then also the color of ice cream cone, which I believe some sort of light brown. And after that, you can specify the background color. So I think for this one, I want to have yellow background color. So it's kind of the sunny day where people actually eat ice cream. Now after that, click Tools, Enable Create Images, and let's send the message. So Gemini Nano Banana Pro is actually a bit slower than the previous model, but usually the quality is going to be a lot better. Now to be fair, even though the text rendering feature in Nano Banana Pro is better, I still can notice that there could be some mistakes in the picture. Like for example, there was a picture of this blender, but you can see that there are some words that just not real, not actual words that you can find in dictionary. So that can happen, and especially because it is AI, and also it is trying to create a picture or a shape, so it's very challenging, but at least again, it is getting better, and so far we can get somewhat a decent result. So let's go back to that thread, and there you go. I got this picture, and it is actually a little better than I thought. So you can save this picture to your computer, and by the way, to get the highest quality, you can click the download button right here, and you will get a 2K or perhaps 4K picture. So that's essentially how you can generate some calligram or object typography using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.